Welcome to Unscripted, an IICRC video production. Behind every successful industry organization is a layer of work and effort most people never see, but everyone depends on. From keeping operations running smoothly to coordinating the logistics that power major events and trade shows, the role we are discussing today ensures that education, standards, and industry engagement can happen without disruption. Today's IICRC Staff Spotlight looks at how facilities and events coordination quietly supports the IICRC's mission, connects operations with purpose, and helps create the conditions that allow the entire industry to move forward. Who are we going to meet? Let's find out.
My name is Katie Schindele, and I am the Facilities and Event Coordinator here at the IICRC. I take care of everything in the building that breaks, or anybody who needs to do any type of maintenance or anything like that. So I take care of anything broken, make sure everything in the building is running smoothly. I also take care of everything for all of our trade shows, all the correspondence. I feel like a lot of the things, like I keep things going in the office, make sure everything works and everybody has what they need to do their jobs sufficiently. I mean, that feels good to hear. I hope so. I would hope I try to be a happy face when I come into the office every day. I try to help as much as I can in any way I can. I was in the renewals and exams department, so I can also help with customer service if we need it. So yeah, just kind of, I try to be a happy face around the office, and I'm a little bit of a chatty Cathy, so I chat with everybody, talk to everybody. So there's not really anybody in the office I don't talk to. My favorite color is black. I don't think that's technically a color, but it is. It matches everything. I don't know, I just like it. I guess the absence of color is what I like. Okay, I like any Mexican food. I worked at a Mexican restaurant for over 15 years, so I am partial to Mexican food. Love it. I'd say, I don't even know if I could pick one thing. Maybe enchiladas. Sit on the couch and do nothing. I like to, I'm a big reality TV watcher. I don't like drama in my life, so I like to watch it on TV. I like to play video games, watch TV. I really like to just chill and hang out at my house. I'm a little bit of a homebody. I guess the importance of all the trade shows we do. Like, we do a lot of trade shows. We go all over the world. And it's really interesting to see, all the people that we impact by going to these trade shows and meeting, potentially hundreds of people, getting them CECs, and just kind of dipping my toe into that world and starting to understand all of the trade show and how many people we impact by showing them that we have these standards, that we're here and we're here to help to make the industry better. And I think that that's really important for everyone. Like, it's for the greater good of all communities.